sorry about this. My eyes, they go small, so now I need help to actually see. This is an issue that was bound to happen. It was supposed to happen, and who knew that it would have been MOG and Wale who would eventually shape our industry. This debate, there's a saying that everything will go happen is good. Everything that happens is good. I thank MOG and I thank Wale for giving this issue a voice. I'm glad that this issue has a voice eventually. Despite the back and forth with the two parties, I'm looking beyond their differences and I'm looking at the issue. I think that they have raised a big issue, a big conversation that needs to be addressed. I am so glad, and I'll thank them again. Wale and MOG, thank you for possibly being the two people who will shape this industry with this debate, with the coming of this debate. I'm guilty of this. You know, I feel our generation is the guilty party here. We didn't do things right. At the time, streaming didn't exist. We didn't really feel anything about our royalties. We didn't respect our royalties, the role of our royalties in our franchise. Because our time we were doing CD rights, we were selling CD rights, we were selling cassettes with Big Ben. We didn't look far. And so we didn't think that we were doing wrong. MOG did this situation because of us. I remember J-Soul was the only person who used to take splits serious. J-Soul was tagged the 2-No producer just because when you go J-Soul in studio, after the work, you do splits. He will present you a split sheet. You will fill everything before you even take your song out. J-Soul was branded the 2-No producer. J-Soul dear, Okonoha, Fena Obama, Obibi, Osideng. But he was doing the right thing. He was doing the right thing. He used to tell me all the time, Hama, if I do splits, I didn't see the need, you see, because that time when the sound, we don't take them serious. We feel safe because we were not seeing great money. We thought we were just doing a social responsibility service, helping the boys and getting some small coins. You know, we were not very happy with what we're doing. So I'm glad now the debate has come. Majority of the issue comes from the producers themselves. At a certain time in their lives, they chase this artist. They push these artists. They worry them. I beg you, take my song, take it. Almost giving it away for free. They will chase you, give you pressure, jebit no, genyom no by force. I think that you should always let the artist value the beat. If you present your beat to an artist, let them want it. Don't push it on them. Let them want it. When they want it, they'll accept it. If they don't accept it, leave it at that. Because if you push it on them and you force it on them, you can expect them to pay attention to your compensation. They won't. You know, so Alliance for Change, most of you know Alliance for Change. We have decided to do this masterclass. Date and time will be, will be made available, but hopefully it will happen this week. And I urge all producers to be present on the Zoom conference so that you just know how to handle your splits. The conversation will be big. all producers need to be part of this. This will shape our industry. This will open doors for new revenue. I am also begging all parties who have an insight, who know a lot about these things, to be part of the panel. We will have a lot of people with resource, persons, real people who know a lot about royalty splits and structures in this music industry. We'll keep it short and straight to the point as possible. So the link will be released on various pages, various platforms. Hopefully and likely tomorrow, Wednesday or Thursday, this should happen. So please stand by and let's fix our industry. This is, nobody should point fingers. This, we are all responsible for this. We are all responsible for this thing. It happened under our watch. We didn't do it. We didn't fix it. These new boys are here and they are going through the same thing. The plight of producers is sad, and gladly Wale and MOG has sparked a very, very serious debate. So let's talk. Salute.